Hi guys! So today, it's a snow day in Minnesota, so we are making a Dutch Baby Pancake. I usually make these in the summer up at the lake. It is from my True North Cabin Cookbook, Volume 1, but we were feeling it today. So I'm gonna start by taking my 10-inch seasoned cast iron skillet. I've got about 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just gonna put that in my preheated 425 degree oven. And what that's gonna do is gonna melt the butter. So my friend Kelly Cordes from WJON, her dad is a farmer and she gave me a bunch of apples that I've had frozen. So I sauteed the apples up with just a tiny bit of butter and a little bit of bourbon. Yes, bourbon, friends. So that's gonna be delicious. And then I've got a little bit of apple butter. So I'm just gonna put a little sploosh in there, and that is gonna be what we're gonna top our pancake with, and it's gonna be amazing. I also need just a tiny bit of cinnamon, and you guys have heard me talk about this before, but here's the deal. Spice Company has the best cinnamon. They roast it themselves, they grind it themselves. It's so amazing, and it just has the best flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and use that, and that will give us a delicious melange to put on top of our Dutch baby. You're asking me, what is a melange? I don't know. It's just one of those words that you use. So, all right, we've got our apple butter in here with our cinnamon, our apples. That's all good. We have our ingredients measured out. We have a 1/2 cup of flour using all-purpose, a 1/2 cup of milk, and we've got a 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 eggs at room temperature. And I'm just gonna check on my buttery pan. A lot of this is about technique. And you're basically trying to get all this butter melted, and we're gonna make sure that it lines the whole bottom and sides of the pan. Then we're gonna go ahead and put our mixture in, and we're going to cook it, and it's going to puff up. I can't remember how long we cook it for. I think it's only like 8 minutes. Oh, it's 18 to 20 minutes, so it's quite a bit of time. All right, so let's start with our flour. Let's add our sugar. I've got our 2 eggs. And we're just gonna mix all this together, and that's gonna give us our batter. Gonna get my little whiskey whisk. You can hear my apples going again. And we're just gonna blend this all together. Oh, sorry. A little sploosh, sploosh, sploosh. All right, everything's mixed together, looks good. Stanley's always in the kitchen, right? If you're a dog, why wouldn't you be? Good things happen in the kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of water. I just wanna loosen these apples up a little bit, make them a little saucier. My whiskey evaporated fast. All right. Ooh, that looks so good. You guys see? Little saucy sauce, little action. Can you guys see a little saucy sauce? All right, those are done. Our batter's done. We're going to, now go on little doggy, go on. We're gonna get our hot pan out of the oven with the butter, swirl it around, and then we're gonna put our batter in and give it about 18 to 20 minutes. Just gonna add a tiny bit of water here. Okay. All right, you see our butter is all melted. I'm going to just move my pan around to make sure that I get butter on all the sides so my Dutch baby doesn't stick. And then I'm gonna put my batter in. All right, here we go. And we're gonna get that back in the oven. Set my timer for 18 minutes. Top it with my apples, and we have a beautiful Sunday morning snow day breakfast. All right, let's get it in the oven. 18 minutes. Let's go.